Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss this question. I will start from here. This question this one. This example. Evaluate limit x goes to infinity. 3x square minus x minus 2 divided by 5x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay. The question. Evaluate this. Limit x goes to infinity. Right. Last lecture I told you this question. Limit x goes to infinity. Okay. This is the example here. Limit x goes to infinity. 3x square minus x minus 2, okay, and divided by 5x square plus 4x minus 1. This is the question. Okay. How to do this? Look over here. See here. Denominator. Here. Look over here. The highest power of x. So highest power of x here. This one. This is the highest power of x. X square. Okay. So divide all terms. All terms divide by x square. Okay. See here. That in the denominator, highest big power of x. Big power of x is x square. Okay. So divide full term. Divide all the terms. Here 3x square divided by x square. X square and minus x divided by x square. Minus 2 divided by x square. Full term divided by 5x square divided by x square. Okay. And plus 4x divided by x square. Minus 1 divided by x square. Okay. What is the step? Step is this. All the terms divided by x square by this denominator. In the denominator, big power of x. Okay. Highest power of x. So highest power of x here will be x square. So all the terms divided by x square. X square. All the terms divided by x square. Okay. After divide, what will happen? Is equal to over here. Limit x goes to infinity here. X square cancel. Here also cancel. Okay. So this is my 3. Here 1x here and 2x here. X serve x. Wahid x cancel. Wahid x has bagi. 1 minus 1 by x and here 2 divided by x here. Divided by here 5 and plus 3. X and here in the denominator x serve x. Wahid serve that. Wahid x square. Bagi 4 divided by x minus 1 upon x square. Okay. Now take the limit. Take the limit here. Okay. Is equal to limit 3. Limit 3 here no x. So limit 3 only 3. No change. Minus. X goes to infinity. Here what? Wahid ala infinity. Any number taksim infinity sifar. I told you. minus here number sim hina infinity itne ala infinity any number sim infinity that is 0 okay. And here 5 5 plus here 4 divided by this infinity x goes to infinity, so 4 divided by x, this goes to 0 minus here 1 divided by x square number, and this x goes to infinity, 1 divided by infinity, that is 0, all 0. Just you remember here number, any number sim infinity equal to 0, right? It's equal to what? 3 divided by 5. This is the answer. 3 divided by 5, this is the answer, right? Last lecture I told you, when here x goes to infinity, I told you this, whenever x goes to infinity and here function goes to number a, and this number a is called, this number a is called, this a means y savi a, this line hada khat y savi a, and this is called horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote. This path is called horizontal asymptote. Last lecture I told you. So here what? Limit x goes to infinity, then this family function goes to this 3 by 5. 3 by 5 can y. So here this path y sawi talata ala khamsa is a horizontal asymptote. Is horizontal asymptote. This one. Clear? Last lecture I told you this kanun. X goes to infinity. Okay. And this function goes to number. And this number and this y savi a. This number is called horizontal asymptote. Right? So here is a. A savi come here. A savi 3 divided by 5. It means y equal to 3 by 5. Harakat. Y savi zata ala khamsa is a horizontal asymptote. Right? Come to the next question. What you did here in this limit mojo, x goes to infinity, so finata hai in the denominator. In the denominator, highest power of x, Kabir power of x, Kabir power of x tarbiya. So full term divided by x tarbiya. Divide like that. Then you will get this. Right? See here. Wahid divided by infinity 0. 2 divided by infinity 0. 4 divided by infinity 0. 1 divided by infinity 0. Other values 3, 5. Right? Now say this. Quick method for finding limits of rational function as x goes to this. X goes to positive infinity or negative infinity. Positive or negative. No problem. Okay. What is the quick method? This. Let me explain here. Quick method is this. See this question. This example. Find this one A. This B. Okay. Let me write here. Question number A is this. This example. When x goes to positive infinity 4x square minus x plus 7. It's polynomial and math also polynomial. X power 3 minus 1. This is a rational function. Polynomial or polynomial. Polynomial divided by polynomial. This is called rational function. Okay. And here, if this x goes to infinity, plus wala minus, maafi mushkila. A. What is B? B is this. X goes to infinity. Here 3x square minus x plus 4 square divided by 2x square plus 5x minus 8 square. Okay. So what is the quick method? One method I explained you. Okay. Now see the quick method. What is the quick method here? This is it. Limit x goes to moja infinity 4x square minus x plus 7 x power 3 minus 1. See the quick method. One method I explained you. One method. One method यानी सुख तहत कबीर power of x. Okay. Then kullo terms divide by that. If you use that method, yani this x power talata, kabir x power talata, all the terms divide by x power 3, and then you will get the answer. This is the one method. The Tani method is quick method. What is a quick method? It is here. X goes to infinity. Quick method is this. See here. Kabir power of x. Kabir power of x hada. Okay. X tarbiya. So hada term. Seal hada term. 4x tarbiya. Bas. Kabir power of x. Seal hada term. 4x tarbiya. It is 4x tarbiya. Divided by tahat. Denominator Kabir power of x. Here Kabir power of x power talata. Seal hada bas. X power talata. Power talata bas. This is the quick method. Highest power of x in the numerator. Oh, seal that term. So here highest power Kabir power tarbiya. X tarbiya. And term hada. 4x tarbiya. Hada term. Seal. 4x tarbiya. Kabir power here. X power talata. So hina mawjood. X power talata. Hada term. Seal hada term. Okay. Bas. This is called quick method. Then you will find the limit. This is equal to what? See. The tarbiya. X talata. Okay. X tarbiya divided by x power 3. What is left? With x goes to infinity. Bagi 4 and tahat x. This is equal to what? When x goes to infinity. Number ala infinity. What will happen? Number ala infinity. That will be 0. This is the answer. This is the answer. This is equal to 0. Right? Any problem here? Tell me. Any question? Okay. Use any one method. Yes. This is the quick method. This is quick method. Okay. Right. Now look over here. Number B. Limit x goes to plus infinity. Here. X square minus x plus and divided by 2x square plus 5x minus 8 is equal to what? Same method here. You will apply to here. Highest power of x. Highest power of x and this x tarbiya. Kill this term, take this term, 3x square, only this 3x square. And here, in the denominator, here, कबीर power of x, यानी highest power of x here मौजूद. Here we are. Take this term, 2x square, कबीर power of x, here कबीर power of x, here we are. Take this term only, 2x square. Here 2x square. Now look here. This x square cancel. Sambagi is equal to limit x goes to infinity 3 divided by 2. Okay, that is equal to what? Limit x goes to infinity. Here no x, only 3 by 2, constant. This will be same number, 3 by 2. This is the answer. Right? This is the answer. Okay? Yes. Choose anyone in the exam. Okay. So this is the good. Quick method is good for you. Okay. Now come to the next question. Now before starting the next question, let me write here 2 rules. Not this. If x positive, Mojab. If x is positive, right? Mojab number. Then this one, mod of x equal to this. There x there we are. There x is what? X is what here? X is positive. X is positive. X is positive, yani Mojab. Right? Okay. Now this is number 1. And this is number 2. If x is negative, this is greater than or equal to 0. Mojab positive wala no problem. This way, greater than or equal to 0. And here x negative, solid. In a x solid, and what will happen? Mod of x will be this minus this equal to each other. X there we are. Right? X there we are. There will be x minus. For the x negative, then you write this way: mod of x, then minus in minus. Okay. This is the other x there. Right? Remember these 2 rules. Now come to the question. This question. This one. Find the horizontal and vertical asymptotes of the graph of the function. Right? Right. Here written. Here, mod of x equal to x there we are. Here x positive. X goes to infinity, Mojab infinity. Right? And here x goes to solid infinity, yani x solid, x minus, negative. And here mod of x to other x there we are, here Mojab minus. This is minus. Right? So we will write. mod of x equal to minus x. Find the horizontal asymptote and vertical asymptote of the graph of this. Function is this here, right? What is the meaning? Horizontal asymptote means horizontal asymptote means you have to take this here. Horizontal asymptote means this limit all the time. Whenever horizontal asymptote, it means what? X goes to plus or minus infinity. If x to this number, then this number, yani y equal to this y. This is called horizontal asymptote. Whenever you have find horizontal asymptote, this limit must be x goes to plus or minus infinity. Remember this, plus or minus infinity. And here answer number, yani this y equal to a. This is called y equal to a. This is called horizontal asymptote. This line. Just remember. So horizontal means you have to take the limit. This limit. Remember this. Let me explain here. This is the question. Question is this. Answer here module. Fx equal to under root x square plus 1. Answer this. Fx equal to under root x square plus 1. Right? And divided by 3x minus 5. Divided by 3x minus 5. It's divided by 3x minus 5. Okay? See how to find the horizontal asymptote here. So, the solution for horizontal asymptote. For horizontal asymptote, what will you do? You will take this limit. Limit x goes to take Mojav infinity first. Horizontal, whenever you see horizontal asymptote, yani limit x goes to Mojav infinity and limit x goes to Salib infinity. You have to find this. And whatever you get answer, that is horizontal asymptote. That line. Look here. The function module this. The x square plus 1 divided by 3x minus 5. This is the right. Now look here. Here module jadar. Okay. So don't use quick method. Use this method. See here, highest power of x है. Highest power of x. Kabir power of x here. Kabir power of x here. This one, x power 1. Okay. All the terms divide by x power 1 is equal to limit x goes to, and here so x goes to Mojav infinity. X goes to positive Mojav infinity. It means what? X goes to Mojav, and you will take this. See, 2x tarbiya add 1 divide by this. All the terms divided by this x power 1. X power 1 yani if this goes to Mojav infinity and divide by this here. Other x power 1, other x. Another this one 3x minus 5 divide by mod of x. Right? And remember this rule here. Mod of x equal to what? Mod of x equal to x tervia. Mod of x equal to x tervia. And is equal to x. Mod of x equal to x. And this is our x tervia. Remember this. Why this? Because here x, this x is Moja, positive. Okay. Now divide all the terms here. Look here. What will happen? When x goes to Moja infinity. And here what? 2x square plus 1 and divided by this mod of x. And this mod of x is what here? Other x tervia. This one. Other x tervia. And divided by this 3x minus 5 divided by here. Mod of x is here x. X. Just x. So here use Jadar x tervia because hina Jadar module. I have to take inside all the terms. Okay. And here this mod of x equal to this x. This mod of x here is this x. Okay. Now divide below terms. What will happen here? See this. Is equal to x goes to Moja infinity. See, hina Jadar module and hina Jadar module. Kamil Jua, Kamil Jadar. Here, Z1, here, here, Ada Jua. Because Ada Jadar and Ada Jadar. So take inside Jua, here, and divided by this here, x, divided by this x, minus 5 divided by x. And this is equal to what? X goes to infinity, Moja. See this inside 2x square divided by x tervia plus Wahid divided by x tervia. Distribute this here, distribute here. 2x square divided by x square and plus Wahid divided by x square. Here, same here. 3x divided by x and minus 5 divided by x. Now look here. This x and this x cancel here. Here, tervia cancel. What is left? Tell me. What is left here? This one. Limit x goes to Moja infinity. Here Wagi, Jadar 2 and Zayad Wahid ala x. Here 3 minus 5 divided by x. Find the limit here. What will happen when x goes to infinity? This here number and plus Ada come Wahid ala here x module. Wahid ala infinity. Yani this is 0. Divided by here module 3 and minus here 5 ala this x yani this infinity. 5 ala infinity yani this is 0. What is left here? Hina bagi ज़्यादा लिखने हैं, hina bagi चलाता. Our answer. This is our horizontal asymptote. See, limit x goes to infinity. Okay, the answer is here a. This is a. A yani what? This is y. Right. Okay. This is called horizontal asymptote. Now, first you have taken for the horizontal asymptote. First you have taken this Moja infinity. Now you take Salib infinity. X goes to Salib infinity. Okay. Look over here. What will happen? X goes to Salib infinity. Second this, which x goes to minus infinity. Then module x square plus 1 divided by x minus 5. right? So again, highest power of x here, wahid, x power 1. All the terms divide by power 1. And here, other module. And here, look here. X goes to minus infinity, solid. And divide this way first. Wait. X goes to negative infinity and divide this. 1. 2x square plus 1. And divided by again here, mod of x. Here r divided by 3x minus 5 and divide by mod of x. And use this rule. Whenever x goes to solid, okay, and this mod of x equal to 1, and this equal to, this mod of x will be minus x here, minus. This is the difference. Here plus module, plus module, यहाँ the plus, module, no change, same. If here x goes to minus, negative, x negative, then here this is change, minus x. Now right here, limit x goes to minus infinity. So here what? Under root 2x square plus 1 and divided by this mod of x adding this other x square divided by this 3x minus 5 and divided by this x, this mod of x, take this minus x, this is minus x here. This only change was minus here only. If x goes to Mosav infinity, if x goes to here, this is Mosav infinity, yani hada, if hada Mosav infinity, then here Mosav, no change here, Mosav. Here no change, here same Mosav. But if here minus, then here only change. This mod of x change here, this is minus. Okay. Now solve this. Is equal to what? X goes to minus infinity. See this. Kamil jua. Hada jadar and hada jadar. Sil jua kamil. 2x square divided by x square. Plus 1 divided by x square. Divided by here. See this. 3x divided by minus x. And here minus 5 divided by minus x. Okay. This minus and this minus. This will be plus here. This minus plus. Right? Now take the limit. What will happen here? This x that we are and this x that we are cancel. This x and this x cancel. Okay. What is the limit? X goes to minus infinity. Here मौजूद this 2, other 2, okay? And plus रकम वाहिद आला this infinity minus infinity. This is Mosav infinity wala Salib infinity. Wahid ala infinity, that is 0. It's 0 all the time. Here nakam bagi talata and here minus yani minus 3 plus other 5 ala infinity and 0. Okay? This is equal to bagi other 2 and here bagi talata and this minus see here, no problem. What is the difference here? If x goes to infinity, minus infinity, na is minus. Whether itne ala talata. Here awal, if Mosav, this is Mosav, and here is the whether itne ala talata. So these two are the horizontal asymptotes. So here y equal to this line and y equal to this minus 3 are horizontal asymptotes. Horizontal asymptotes. Okay. These are the horizontal asymptotes. See here. Here, look over here. So, dari itnaan talata. Here, salib dari itnaan talata. These are the horizontal asymptotes. So, this horizontal asymptote and this horizontal asymptote. Right? Okay. Now see the next. So, after that, you have to find vertical asymptote. How to find the vertical asymptote? Same question. How to find the vertical asymptote? So for vertical asymptote, see the rule. For vertical asymptote, what to do? See, for vertical asymptote, what to do here? Function is this. With x goes to the function. First, you see the function. X square plus 1 and divided by 3x minus 5. Okay. So how to find vertical asymptote? See, look over here. What we will do? So finata hai 3x minus 5. When this will be 0, 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5, if you will take this, 3x minus 5 is equal to 0 and solve this. 3x equal to minus 5. For the vertical asymptote, okay, for the vertical asymptote, this that goes to 0 at any number, that will be vertical asymptote. Okay. So this 3x minus 5 take a mean, it will be 5. And here taking this 3x divided by 3 equal to 5 by 3. Okay. It's cancelled. This is how we come here. This is how 5 by 3. Okay. So one time you take limit this. Take limit this. Mojab 5 pala talata. Right? Mojab 5 pala talata. Second time you take limit this. Sali 5 pala talata. This one. This jagah x square plus 1 and here 3x minus 5. Right? So look here. What to do here? Take this limit. This goes to 3. Here This is 5. X يساوي 5 على 3. You take this number here. X يساوي 5 على 3 يعني this line. This line 5 على 3. You take number this here. Akbar. Okay. In this function, you take here mojab. Mojab yani number here mojab. This side I mean. Akbar mean 5 على 3. Okay. This will be this function. This function goes to this way. This function goes to this way. Here. This way. Mojab infinity like that. Mojab infinity. Into this way. Mojab infinity. This will be mojab. Infinity. Okay. When you will take number here, this side, SR, right? SR. This will go in this function. This will go here, ahead, here, and this infinity. Because look, if you take this mojab 5 wala talata, then in the come 3x minus 5. Take x isawi 5 wala talata, mojab 5 wala talata. So this will be what here? It is the 5 wala talata minus 5. 3 cancel. Bagi come, bagi 0. Bagi 0. Okay. So whenever you take this mojab and here number, then this function goes to here, mojab infinity. And here you take this minus 5 wala talata. Okay. And number this side. Number this side. And this function goes to Kareeb 5 by 3 here. SR. And this will be 0. Again this will be 0. SR yani this will be minus infinity. Okay. And here this equal to called this x equal to 5 ala 3. This x equal to 5 ala 3. This one and not minus 5. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. This right limit. Right yani this one hada. This is left limit. Left yani you will take number here. Right this plus x goes to 5 ala talata. This x goes to 5 ala talata yani here. I mean then this function goes to mojab infinity. When x goes to 5 ala talata, mean SR from the left this way. If Kareeb SR, then this goes to down. You can check here. You take number here and take number here. Akbar mean Kamsala Talata. And Asgar mean Kamsala Talata. Then this will be here. This will be minus. So here x equal to 5 by 3. Equal to 5 by 3. This is called x equal to 5 by 3 is called the vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptote. You can see this. This is x equal to 5 by 3. X equal to 5 by 3. This one. This one. This line. This is called vertical asymptote. So x equal to 5 by 3. This is called vertical asymptote. Okay. Here you have to check this downside. T number that function when 0. This that function 3x minus 5. This will be 0. This will be 0. Then x equal to 5 by 3. This will be 0. So check here left limit and right limit. The right limit here you take, then this will go mojab infinity. And the limit you will take, then this function will go minus infinity. Right? So this is called vertical asymptote. X equal to 5 by 3 is vertical asymptote. Right? Yes. Over here. one. Take x goes to 5 by 3 from the right limit. This will be Moivre's infinity. When you will take x goes to 5 by 3 from the left, this will be minus infinity. Okay, this one here. X goes to Moivre's infinity. Okay. When x goes to 5 by 3 from the left, here, from the left, this goes to this side, solid infinity, this one. And x equal to 5 by 3 is a vertical asymptote. Right? So today I will stop here. Any question? Midterm is हुआ किस्सा इंशाल्लाह. Today I will send you schedule. Schedule मौजूद है. No problem, don't worry. I will tell you. Tuesday exam next week. Isbuah jai. Ara isbuah tamania. Isbuah jai inshallah. Wow. In university.